Hello students, hope you all have done with chapter number 7. So today we will start with new chapter, that is chapter number 8, that is HCF and LCM. Today we will discuss only introduction. So HCF means, the full form of HCF is highest common factor. And LCM, the full form of LCM is lowest common factor. So in case of highest, as its name shows, in case of highest number we will discuss about the greater number. In case of lowest number we will discuss about the lowest number. So HCF, if we find HCF of 8 and 12, it comes 4. So here what it means by 4, so 4 is the largest number. There is no any greater number than 4. 4 is the largest number which divides these two numbers completely. There is no any greater number than 4 which can divide both the numbers completely. So in case of LCM, if we take LCM of these two numbers, it comes 24. So 24 is the, as its name shows, so 24 will be the lowest number, is the smallest number which is completely divisible by both the numbers. So in case of HCF, we discuss about the whatever we find in the HCF, that is the greatest number which can completely divide the numbers, and in case of LCM, that is the smallest number which completely divides both the numbers. Next is factors. What are factors? Factors are two or more natural numbers that when they are multiplied, for example, if I multiply 5 and 7, it becomes 35. 5 7s are 35. So where 5 and 7 are the factors of 35. And if I multiply 3 6 into 2, then number become 36. So what we will say, that 2 3 and 6 are the factors of 36. Okay, next let's go further with more examples, that how to write the factors of 24. So what we will do, we will find that how 24 comes in tables. Firstly, 24, every number is factor of itself. So 24 is factor of itself. So 24, how can we write? 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 2 into 12 equals to 24. 3 into 8 equals to 24. 4 into 6 equals to 24. There is no any other factor of 24. After this, no more factors we can write. So after combining these numbers, what we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These all are the factors of 24. I have written some important points for you, that 1 is the factor of every number. 1 is the factor of every number. In every table we starts with 1. So every number is factor of itself. So 0 cannot be a factor of any number. 0 cannot be factor of any number. If we multiply any number with 0, the answer becomes 0. If you multiply 2 with 0, the answer will be 0. So 0 can never be factor of any number. Next, I have written few definitions. First is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Natural numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. The numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So, for example, 2. 2 is divisible by 1, it becomes 2. And 2 is divisible by 2, it becomes 1. Or you can write it like this. So, factors are 1 and 2. There is no any number which can divide 2 completely. Same thing happens in case of 3. 3 is divisible by 1. Either it divisible by 1 or it divisible by 3. So the factors are 1 and 3. If for example, I take next number, that is 4. If I write it, so 4 will be divisible by 1. 4 can be divided by 2. 4 can be divided by itself also. So it will not be considered as a prime number. Okay, points to keep in mind. I have written few points for you guys. every prime number is greater than 1. Every prime number is greater than 1. So this statement is telling us that 1 is not a prime number. Every prime number is greater than 1. Second is, it can be a question, it can be one mark question, that which is the smallest prime number? So answer will be 2 is the smallest prime number. Next, all prime numbers except 2 are odd numbers. Except 2, all other prime numbers are odd numbers. Next definition is composite numbers. Okay, one is prime number and second is composite number. So prime numbers that comes or that are divisible by 1 and itself. Composite numbers are the number that has 2 or more than 2 factors. For example, 10. For example, 4. In case of 10, it has 4 factors, 1, 2, 5 and 10. How to write? We can check it like by writing this. In this way we can check it. So every composite number is greater than 2. It is also a point. Important point to keep in mind. Hope you understand the important points, and in next video we will start with chapter number 8. If you have any query, you can write in the comments or you can message me. Thank you.